What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing a slice of green agate. I don't know. I've been kind of on a geode kick, and it's been a while since I've done something similar. So this slice of agate is what we're going to do. I didn't even tell you the colors yet. What the heck? All right. So sap green, there's a light green, titanium white, and this is gold from, let's see, where's that bottle at? It's right here. All right. This is the metallic gold from DecoArt. It is a wonderful paint. I love it, and it creates really interesting effects. So, but first things first, we need to create our straight pour, and then we will work on the puddles. All right, so we're just gonna layer this cup. This cup will be to make the kind of really intricate, detailed rings that you normally see in an agate. I think I'm saying it right. I think I've asked you guys this before. Is it agate or agate? I'm not sure. But there's no oil in any of these paints. All these paints are mixed 2 parts pour medium, 1 part paint. As you can see, this one is still really thick. And that's all right. So we don't need a whole lot in this cup. Just enough for maybe 2 to 3 straight pours. About the size of a can of soda, probably. I know, really technical. Yup. All right. I think a little bit more white to it, because we got to make sure there's some contrast. There we go. That's plenty. That is plenty. Set that off to the side. And now we're going to start with our rings. Let me put a base coat down first. I totally didn't even think of that. But let me take some of this white paint that I already have extra. All right. Then we're gonna start with a base. Most of this is gonna get gobbled up. And then we can, let's see. I don't even think that this ring here will make it, but we'll see. So that's about the size of a Coke bottle-ish. It's a little smaller. And then we're just gonna keep repeating the process. Pushing the paint out, creating really tiny bands of color. As they get out towards the edge, you'll see how small the bands actually are. Like this band of gold is going to be really thin by the end. Let's see. Let's have a little white here. Then we're going to go to our straight pour cup. And I'm going to try to prop my elbow up so I can hold it steady. Hopefully my nugget's not in the way. I don't think it is. There's a lot of dark green there, but just like before, we're just going to pour right into the center of that and push that out. There's a lot of dark green already there. Let's put some light green. And then it just pushes those bands of color straight out. I think my table's not level. I'm going to have to go through and check that. And let's put a gold one in there. Yeah, this gold is very thick. Luckily, there's not going to be much stretching. Oh, we need more. Much stretching or manipulating, so there's no chance for it to really mess everything up. Let's see. You see those tiny bands of color going through that? That's what we're going for with this. All right, let's see. Let me tilt it, bring it back. Let's go in places I don't want it to go. And then just another gentle little straight pour. Like, I know we have some bright colors in there, and we're gonna get to them. Let's see. Yeah, let's have another stripe of white going in there. And as we get closer, because you can see, like, we probably have just about enough paint to cover the whole surface now. I'm going to start making these circles, these puddles, smaller and smaller, going towards the middle, so that they can kind of look more natural as they stretch out. And we're going to have one bigger pour going on throughout the center here. Most of this cool little striations of color and stuff are going throughout the stone. We're starting to get some really cool looking stuff. A lot of those lighter colors are coming out. Let's see if we can stop it there. I have like a tiny bit left. Yeah, I gotta level my table with something serious. Alright. Yeah, I'm liking the way that looks, and then we just have a tiny, tiny bit of this layered cup left. So, trying to use it all up. Gonna stop that stream, and then maybe one little spot of white in the center, just to break it up. All right, this is pretty, y'all. Dang. I know, I'm just gonna stretch it out, kind of disturb the lines, because right now they're so symmetrical that it doesn't even look real. All right, let's see. Just a light spin. Something about those two white ones in there that are really, I don't like it. So we have paint left over, so I'm not going to settle for that because I'm not happy with it. We did stretch it, but that's okay. Let's see, less green. I'll just layer it up here really quick. Or less dark green. I have more light colors. All right. Tilt it to this point. I'd like the gold to come out sooner than later. And this is going to push those other colors out of the way just a little. It's not going to do it a whole lot. Dang, man, shaking. Whoop. Oh, man. Well, I mean, I could have prevented that, but my hand shaking and kind of got away from me a little bit. We missed that corner, so I'm just putting paint on it. All right. And I think I am gonna have to stretch it one last time, just to thin out those white bands that are going throughout. Oh man, okay. I like that. I like it a lot. And maybe I will have just a tiny drop of white. Not a lot. Just a teeny spot of it. Dang. That looks pretty cool. I mean, I have a little reference photo that I was using to try to make sure I'm sticking to the colors. It's pretty close. All right, let me get you guys down here and check it out. This thing's awesome. So I looked in the middle, and that white dot that was in the middle, I didn't like it. So I just used a little bit of my excess paint and created another straight pour to do in the middle, and I think it actually looks better. So But yeah, there's so many little tiny details going on in here. I love it. And during the dry reveal, I'll have the flash on so you can actually see the shimmer and shine, because I won't be able to varnish it yet. But yeah, it's beautiful. Check this thing out. So you can see all the little hints of gold. I had the flash on just so you can see that there's just tiny little details of shimmer in between the layers. Yes, Piper. How may I help you? I love this thing.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.